Welcome to Crafty Workshop Builds. Today I'm going to be replacing the starter on a B7 Audi A4, so stay tuned. I'm going to start by disconnecting the battery. The starter is located on the right side of the engine. The starter is held in by two bolts. I'm going to remove the bolt at the bottom first. Now I'm going to remove the bolt at the top. I'll be using this swivel socket. I tried to break the bolt loose with the ratchet and it didn't budge, so I switched to using the breaker bar. Now I'm going to disconnect the wires and the socket. Here's the new starter that I'll be installing. And now it's just a matter of installing everything in reverse. And that's going to be it for this starter replacement. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.